Today I'm doing an assembly of this folding TV tray table. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion. So first what I'm doing is just grabbing the legs here, and then we're going to grab this main piece right here, and it's really easy. It just pops into place. You just push those two little silver pieces in and they pop right into the hole. Now I'm going to do it over here on the other side. As you see, I just squeeze it on both sides and then pop it right down into those holes. There are a few more holes below it. That way you can adjust this table to the height that you want it. And now I'm just using the enclosed Allen wrench to remove this screw that is in the end of the pole. You will need to do this for both ends. Once you get the screws removed, bring your pole down here and put it in between the two legs. You're going to put your screw in and then a washer on the other side, and then use the Allen wrench to screw the screw in really tight. You'll do this on both sides of the pole in between the two legs. Next up, you're going to grab your table and just hook it onto the main bar just like that. You'll see down here that you have this swinging bar. There are 3 different levels up here under the table. This is to adjust the angle of your table, so just put it where you want it. The last part of the assembly is to put your cup holder in. You just pull out this little drawer and set your cup holder right down in it. And here you go. This is your finished table. You can just remove this bar right here, fold up the table, and it folds up nice and flat.